So, magandang araw sa atin. So, by the way, my name is Norjamir Emong and I'm the presenter today. And ang i-discuss ko nga pala guys is sa chapter 15, which is yung plumbing fixtures, and pinaghati-hatian naming grupo yon, and na-assign ako sa mga water closets. So, yeah. So, bago tayo mag-proceed guys sa mga water closets is dapat mahalagang malaman muna natin kung ano nga ba yung plumbing fixtures. So, basahin ko muna guys yung definition. So, plumbing fixtures are receptacles intended to receive water and discharge them to the drainage system. So, the latest concept in the design of plumbing fixture is to fit people rather than people fit to fixture. So, the trend is to make the fixture an integral part of the room decoration. So, based on its definition guys, so isa siyang receptacle na kung saan yung mga water o yung mga tubig o yung mga waterways ay kinokolekta niya and dinidischarge niya sa plumbing system. So, basically guys, si plumbing fixture is isa siyang exchangeable device na kinokonekta sa isang existing plumbing system para makapag-deliver o para makapag-drain ng water. So, plumbing fixtures comes in variety of styles and accessories designed to match with the room for cosmetic reasons. Guys, si plumbing fixture guys is maaari din niyang pagandahin yung room mo guys sapagkat it comes in varieties of styles and accessories designs. So, si plumbing fixture guys is pwede rin siyang for cosmetic reasons. So, it is imperative to buy plumbing fixtures of the best quality. So, best quality carries it with the name or brand of a reputable quality fixtures are specially designed and built to take a lot of abuse and yet expected to last for years. Quality is always associated with cost, but cost of this particular construction item is always considered a good investment. So, comparatively, cheaper fixture wear out faster than those that cost higher but last for years. So, tama naman guys, no? So, pag importante na pag bumili tayo ng plumbing fixture is ang kailangan natin bilhin is yung pinaka the best quality. Kilalang brand name or manufacturer sapagkat si plumbing fixture ay karaniwang ginagamit or gamit na gamit sa pang-araw-araw nating pamumuhay. Unlike naman sa mga murang fixtures na kung saan mura nga pero madali siyang masira and compared to the costlier which is it lasts for years. So ngayon naman pumunta na tayo sa ating main topic which is yung water closet. So first is the water closet classification. So water closet classification is a plumbing fixture used to convey organic body waste to the plumbing system. So gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, si water closet ay isang kind of isa siyang plumbing fixture na kung saan hinati niya yung ating mga organic waste, yung ating mga dumi sa plumbing system. So mahalagang malaman natin or yung mga classification ni water closet. So first is the design, second is quality, shape, and then color. So first is design, which is with respect to design, water closets comes in various types. So the first one is the pale flush type. So the pale flush type. So the pale flush type water closet is the cheapest, the smallest, and the simplest form of water closet, designated without a water tank. So the flushing action can be agitated by small quantity of water. So some call this type as a mini closet and intended for installation in a very limited space and budget. So dito guys, kay pale flush or usually sa atin mga Pilipino is tinatawag natin siyang debuhos. Kung saan ito yung traditional type ng toilet kung saan pinaka-common na ginagamit sa Pilipinas. So isang dahilan nito kung saan bakit gamit na gamit ito sa Pilipinas kung saan ito ay affordable at nakasanayan na nating gamitin. Kaya ito madalas nating nakikita sa mga banyo ng ating bahay, sa mga paupahan at sa mga pampublikong palikuran. So the second one is the squat type. So squat type it is another type of simple type of water closet without water tank installed flat on the floor. So the flushing action can be agitated with 1/2 gallon of water, similar to that pail flush type water closet. So this type of water closet, however, is commonly seen installed in a public toilet for ladies. So actually, ang pinagkaiba lang nila ni pail flush ay squat type is nakalatag siya sa floor, kung saan intended talaga siya para sa mga kababaihan. So the number 3 is the wash down type. So the wash down type water closet has the following characteristics. So number 1, it flushes through a simple wash down action. So based naman sa nakikita natin sa figure guys is meron na siyang water tank. So yun nga, it flushes through a simple wash down action using the water tank. Number 2, it discharges a waste into a trapway located at the front of the bowl. So mamaya guys, makikita natin yung inner part nung the wash down type, kung saan yung minimin nito na yung discharge niya yung waste natin sa front of the bowl. So mamaya guys, makikita natin yun siya sa dimensions and inner part ng mga bowls. So number 3, which is it is more subjected to clogging than the other. So nito naman guys, si wash down type, so subjected siya sa clogging, which is nagbabara siya. So the trapway is irregular in shape because of its exterior design and the method of manufacturing. So number 4 is it is recognized by the bulging shape in front. So bulging shape is para siyang spherical. So number 5, it has a small amount of standing water with large exposed surface at the inside front of the bowl. So it is susceptible for fouling, staining, and contamination. So yun na nga guys, based nga sa definition niya, dahil nga sa small amount ng standing water at exposed siya sa larger areas ng front bowl, so susceptible siya sa fouling, just madali siyang mangamoy, and staining, and also contamination. So number 6 is it costs less but least efficient and noises of all type. So yun nga guys, it costs less or mura siya, and dahil nga sa mura siya, ganyan nga sabi ko kanina, is less efficient siya, or hindi rin siya gaanong magandang type o type ng closet, and isa siya sa pinaka maingay na toilet pag fina-flush mo. So the fourth one is the reverse trap. So the reverse trap water closet has also the following classifications. So yun nga guys, it flushes through a siphon action created in the trapway. So yung based nga sa definition niya is siphon action, na kung saan nagpa-flush siya from one container to another, na kung saan located at the rear of the bowl. So number 2, it retains large amount of surface water as compared with the washdown type. Fouling and staining of the interior bowl is unlikely to occur. So unlike kay washdown type, which is nire-retain niya yung small amount ng water, kaya siya susceptible sa fouling, staining, and contamination. So unlike kay reverse trap, so isa siyang ito yung isa sa pinaka advantage ni reverse trap kay washdown, na kung saan nagre-retain siya ng large amount of surface water, na kung saan pini-prevent niya yung fouling, contamination, and staining. So number 4, it is sanitary and easier to clean. So yun nga, unlike kay washdown, which is least efficient, itong si reverse trap naman is efficient siya. So isa siyang magandang klase or quality ng water closet, and unlike ulit kay washdown, na kung saan siya yung pinakamaingay mag-flush, itong kay reverse trap naman is hindi gaanong maingay, and yung trapway niya is round and less likely to clog, or hindi siya madaling magbara. So this type of water closet is a little more expensive than the washdown type. So gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, so the higher the quality, the higher the price is the best quality it can offer to you. So unlike kay washdown, na kung saan mura lang siya pero least efficient, then kay reverse trap naman is mahal siya compared to washdown, pero nagbibigay naman siya sa'yo ng good quality, and gaya nga ng sabi kanina is isa siyang magandang investment. So yun nga guys, based sa figure guys is yung pinagkaiba nung reverse strap kay washdown type. So makikita nyo naman guys sa picture or sa figure yung differences nila ni reverse strap sa way ng pag-flush nila, and kung paano o kung saan dadaan yung dumi. Kung saan kay washdown kayo nung sinasabi ko kanina is yung dumi is dumadaan sa front of the bowl, na kung saan nakita natin sa figure na yun nga, dumadaan siya sa harapan ng bowl, and unlike kay reverse strap na kung saan sa likuran siya ng yung dumi is nagpa-flush along the back of the bowl. So the number 5 is the siphon jet water closet. So the siphon jet water closet has also the following characteristics. So number 1, the siphon jet water closet is costlier than the washdown and reverse type, but it is more efficient in service. So unlike kay washdown and kay reverse strap, so si siphon jet is more expensive, but yun nga, paulit-ulit kong sinasabi kanina is the higher the price, the better the quality. So yun nga, more efficient siyang gamitin. So number 2, siphon jet water closet retain a larger amount of standing water than mostly covered the bowl interior. So based nga sa figure is si siphon jet is nagre-retain siya ng larger amount ng water surface sa bowl, sa interior bowl, na kung saan it can prevent or it is non-susceptible to clogging, contamination, and staining, dahil nga sa larger amount ng water na nire-retain niya sa surface ng bowl. So number 4, it has a larger trapway, making it less likely to clog, and the flushing action is silent than the other types. So yun na nga, unlike sa previous water closet na discuss ko is si siphon jet water closet is less likely to clog, dahil nga sa larger trapway or yung butas na dinadaanan ng ating dumi, and it is silent than the other types, or unlike kay washdown or kay reverse strap na maingay sila, and si siphon jet naman is hindi siya maingay pag pina-flush mo. So number 4, it is sanitary and easier to clean. So yun na nga, madali siyang linisin. So number 6 is the siphon vortex water closet. So the siphon vortex is another type of water closet considered as sanitary and efficient in service. So it has also the following characteristics. So yun na nga guys, sa introduction pa lang ni siphon vortex water closet. So malalaman na talaga natin na isa siya sa pinaka the best na water closet, o isa siya sa pinaka efficient na water closet. So number 1, although it is acceptably expensive type of water closet bowl, yet proven to be less noisy and very efficient in its performance. So yun na nga yung sabi ko kanina, the more na mahal is the more na best quality yung may bibigay niya sa'yo. So isa sa best example nun is si siphon jet and si siphon vortex, na kung saan it is less noisy pag pina-flush mo siya, and magbibigay siya ng very good or good performance sa'yo. Number 2, the flushing action of the siphon vortex water closet is through a whirlpool motion of water inside the bowl, followed by a flush down of the liquid and waste completely. So unlike kay reverse trap and kay washdown, na kung saan yung flow nung pag-flush is parang pababa, or usually nakikita na pababa, and kay siphon vortex naman is whirlpool, or yung paigot, o yung parang ipo-ipo. Kaya siya less likely to be noisy yung pag-flush sa kanya. So based nga sa figure is makikita natin yung way ng pag-flush, o yung pagdaan ng dumi o pag-flush ng dumi sa kay siphon vortex pati kay siphon jet. So number 3, the siphon vortex retain a large amount of standing water covering almost the entire interior surface of the bowl. So si siphon vortex is it is like to be siphon jet na kung saan pareho silang nagre-retain ng larger amount ng standing water sa surface ng interior bowl na kung saan it can really prevent the staining, contamination, and fouling. So number 4, considering the large amount of standing water retained inside the bowl, it is very sanitary and easy to clean. So same lang sila ni siphon jet na kung saan dahil nga nagre-retain sila ng larger amount of standing water sa surface ng bowl, yun nga, madali silang linisin and it is sanitary. So the last one, which is the direct flush valve type. So this type of water closet is sometimes referred to as DFV or yun nga si direct flush valve. And this type of water closet is installed in places where water supply is sufficient and pressurized. So the DFV water closet eliminates the use of toilet water tank. So it is preferred in the commercial, hospitals, industrials, and institutional comfort room for efficiency of service and ease of cleaning. So si direct valve flush type guys, so in-install siya or nilalagay siya sa mga areas na kung saan malakas yung pressure ng water, kung saan hindi na siya ginagamitan ng water tank or wala na siyang water tank. So ang naging water tank niya lang guys is based sa figure guys is nakikita nyo is yung parang stainless steel na mahaba dyan guys sa rear ng bowl guys. So yan yung pressurized, yan yung flush ng bowl na kung saan dapat siyang ikabit sa mga areas lamang na malakas yung pressure ng tubig. And yun nga guys, preferred siyang gamitin sa mga commercial establishments, sa mga hospitals, industrials, and institutional comfort room sapagkat nagbibigay siya ng efficiency of service and likely to be others na madali din siyang linisin. So proceed naman tayo guys sa dimensions ng mga water closets. So the first is the pail flush type. So based sa figure guys, nakikita natin kay top view na kung saan yung distance niya sa distance ng bowl sa wall, hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung kanya centimeter or inches, so siguro naka-centimeter to siya guys. So is 110. So yung inner diameter naman ng bowl is 306 and yung outer diameter naman niya is 387. Then makikita natin guys sa front diameter ng bowl, meron siyang outer diameter na 340. Kung saan yung distance na yan guys is from the lower part ng bowl to the wall. And kay front view naman niya guys is ayun nga ang distance niya or ang height niya is from the surface is 295 to the finished floor. Then yan guys, the second one is squat type water closet. So yan guys, makikita naman natin yung mga dimensions na guys by at in a top view, front view, and side view. Hindi ko na siguro babanggitin yung mga dimensions niya guys. So nasa figure naman guys. So yung mga dimensions na guys is based sa top view, side view, and front view. Then she wash down type. So yan guys, yung mga dimensions niya. So yung figure dyan guys, so yung cross section of wash down type water closet. So yan yung sinasabi ko kanina guys na inner part or kung way nung pagpa-flush nung wash down type sa ating mga waste or sa ating mga dumi. So yan siya guys. So yung sunod guys is si reverse trap. So meron din siyang guys inner part na kung saan makikita natin sa dyan sa figure guys yung way kung paano niya fina-flush yung ating dumi. And also yung mga dimensions na guys, yung top view niya, side view, and front view niya is stated naman sa figure. So number 5 guys is si siphon jet water closet. So nakikita natin sa figure guys yung mga dimensions niya and also yung inner part nung bowl guys or toilet guys, na kung saan makikita natin yung way ng pag-flush niya guys, or pag-flush guys ng ating dumi or ang ating waste. And indicated naman guys sa figure yung mga dimensions sa top view, side view, and front view. And based nga sa figure guys is yung siphon jet guys is nagre-retain siya ng a large amount ng water sa surface ng bowl. So number 6 is the siphon vortex water closet. So nasa figure guys, so kitang-kita natin yung differences nila ni siphon jet and siphon vortex, na kung saan si siphon vortex is nagre-retain siya ng much larger amount of water sa surface ng bowl, unlike kay siphon jet kanina na nagre-retain nga siya ng larger amount ng water sa surface ng toilet, pero hindi, unlike kay siphon vortex na napaka larger yung nire-retain niya na water sa surface ng bowl. And also guys, indicated din dyan yung dimensions ng toilet guys in a top view, side view, and front view. And also yung mga distances nung toilets from the wall. So the last is the direct flush valve type, or DFV. So ayan guys, nakikita natin yung mga dimensions niya in top view, front view, and side view. So yun nga guys, proceed naman tayo kay plumbing design and estimate. So type of building or occupancy, minimum of number of water closet required, and kind on number of persons or users. So kahit type of building or occupancy, so yun nga guys, first is sa dwelling or apartment, so ang required water closet per family is 1. Then sa schools guys, in elementary guys is per 60 males ang required water closet is 1, and per 35 females is 1 water closet. And in secondary guys, per 100 males is 1 water closet ang required. Then per 45 females is also 1 water closet. Then in office or public building, so for 1 to 20 persons, 1 water closet. Then for 21 to 40 persons is 2 water closet, and for 41 to 60 persons is 3 water closet. For 61 to 80 persons is 4 water closet, and then for 81 to 100 persons is 5%. So napapansin nyo guys, so every 20, additional 20 is 1 water closet ang i-add. So in theaters and auditorium, so 1 water closet for 1 to 100 male and females, then 2 for 101 to 200 male and female, then 3 for 201 to 400 male and female, and 1 per additional 500 male and 300 females. Then proceed tayo kay dormitories guys, which is usually nakikita rin natin to sa mga schools or sa mga school universities. So first is per 10 males is 1 water closet ang required. Per 6 females is 1 water closet ang required. Then for per additional 20 persons is additional 1 water closet ang required. Then last one guys, in industrials and commercials. So per 1 to 10 persons is 1 water closet ang required. For 11 to 25 persons is 2 water closet. And for 26 to 50 persons is 3 water closets. And for 51 to 75 persons is 4 water closets. Then 75 to 100 persons is 5 water closet, and per additional 40 persons is additional 1 water closet naman yung required. In excess of 100 persons. So proceed naman tayo kay quality. So with respect to quality, water closets come in various types. So number 1 is the flush down quietly. So yun nga, based sa mga discuss ko kanina guys, sa design ng mga toilet guys, so sino ba guys yung pinaka maingay mag-flush and yung hindi maingay mag-flush. So nagdedepende talaga sa price yung nagdedepende talaga sa price ng water closet yung quality na ibibigay niya sa iyo. So number 2 guys is flush down the waste and liquid completely. So yun nga guys, isa sa mga tinitindang quality ng water closet is dapat na di-discharge nila yung waste natin or mga liquid waste natin ng maayos. And number 3 is must function efficiently. So, napakahalaga sa isang water closet or sa isang quality ng water closet na dapat nang function yung lahat nung parts nung water closet, guys. And number 4, must retain large amount of standing water surface area inside the bowl to prevent fouling and contamination. So yun na nga yung diniscuss ko kanina, guys. Si siphon vortex and siphon jet and also si DFV, which is direct flush valve, kung saan sila yung nagre-retain ng larger amount ng standing water sa surface ng bowl, na kung saan piniprevent nun yung contamination, fouling, and staining. And the number 4, guys, is shape. So with respect to shape, water closets are classified into 2 types. So number 1, the round type is intended for installation on a limited space only. So si round, based sa figure, guys, si round type, guys, is nakikita naman natin sa figure, guys, na kung saan mas maliit siya compare kay elongated type, na kung saan intended siyang gamitin or ilagay sa mga limited space only. Kung saan, for example, guys, yung meron ka lamang yung space para sa comfort room nyo is maliit lamang. So si round type yung best na gamitin, or siya yung intended na dapat gamitin sa water closet sa iyong comfort room. So number 2 is the elongated type. So the elongated type is more comfortable but occupies a larger space. So this type has a large amount of standing water inside the bowl that is more sanitary and easier to maintain. So unlike kay round type, guys, si elongated type naman, guys, is nag-occupy siya ng larger space, guys, and siya rin yung pinaka comfortable gamitin, guys. And also siya rin yung nagre-retain ng larger amount ng water sa surface ng bowl, and it is more sanitary and easier to clean. So number 6 is si color. So color, guys, so with respect to color, so various kinds of pastel and bright colors are available for the designer and user's freedom of choice. So yan guys, yung diniscuss ko kanina, yung mga designs, and yan based sa figures, guys. Nakuha ko lang yan sa internet, guys. So yan yung ilan sa mga examples ng mga designs and also the colors and mga types nung water closet, guys. Pero nakadepende pa rin yan, guys, sa taste ng owner, guys, or dun sa user. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching Plumber. So dyan na po nagtatapos yung aking discussion about the water closets, its quality, designs, colors, and shapes. So I hope naintindihan nyo, guys, yung discussion ko, and maraming salamat po. Assalamualaikum and God bless.